Hello friends, for today's trading I have selected three stocks: Tata Motors, Hindalco and Tata Steel. So let me tell you the reason why I have selected these stocks and what kind of analysis I have done, and then what was the result of that analysis and the trade that was taken on behalf of that analysis. So let's move to Tata Motors first. So those who have already seen my previous video, they have quite a clear idea about why I have selected Tata Motors. So there are basically two reasons for selecting Tata Motors for today's intraday trading. First is this build-up that was created yesterday, and second is the dominant pressure in this stock is buying. So in short, buyers are controlling the price of Tata Motors as of now in 5-minute chart. So waiting for a buy opportunity is a very good idea to trade in Tata Motors. So when in the morning at 9:15 market was open, first candle was formed, that is very long actually. So I started waiting for a small build up that came after some candles, and when this 9:45 candle was formed, it is let me zoom in it. It is like a hammer kind of pattern, so that indicates buyers are in now. I have taken position on when the high of this candle was broken. So from 9:45 till 14:25, around 2:30, I have booked profit. That is I think 1:3. Yes, 1:3 I have booked in this Tata Motors today. So this is about Tata Motors. And now let's move to Hindalco. Hindalco I have selected also for two reasons. First, buyers are dominating in this stock as of now for 5-minute chart, and a very nice buildup was formed at the ending session of the market that I have already drawn in within a rectangle. So to confirmation, first the trend is in uptrend, buyers are dominating, and a very nice buildup was formed. Nice and lengthy buildup was formed. So again I have started waiting for a buy call in this trade. So as soon as the next buildup was formed, I entered in this stock on 12:55. After that, when the 1 p.m. candle was created, let me zoom in this also. When this candle was created, because it has broken the high of previous 10:45 and 9:15 candles. So on the high of 1 p.m. candle, I have entered in this stock, and also I booked 1:2 risk reward ratio because I have entered very late in this stock. So I have told you the reason, analysis, and the type of trade I have taken in this stock. So these two stocks has given me profit today, and apart from this, Tata Steel also was in my list. So same reason for this also why I have selected Tata Steel. Uh, uh, Small, a nice build-up, but not a tight range. So first reason is the build-up at the end of market, and dominance of buyers in this stock. Trend is up, so again waiting for a buy signal, but there was a gap of opening for this stock, and that gap of opening has consumed mostly all the expected movement in this stock in upward direction. So because of that, I was started waiting for when the pressure get absorbed and price will restart its upward moment. But that was not happened for today. But it has created some nice pattern at the end of market. For that pattern and for confirmation of those patterns, we need to change the chart type, make it as a line. So you can see a very nice head and shoulders pattern was formed after 1 p.m. between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So it was a very good chance to take buy position in this stock. So maybe for tomorrow this stock will move in upward direction if market will give company with this stock. So this is all about today's trading, friends. Uh, Happy trading.